wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away.
Hello fellow travelers, and welcome to our 8th stop on our 28-day cruise in the fall of 2022. We are stopped at the port of Souda, Greece, which is in the northwest part of the island of Crete. It houses a naval base, which is part of NATO, and it also accommodates cruise ships and ferries from Piraeus. It has a subtropical Mediterranean climate, which means dry summers and mild rainy winters. Its main industries are agriculture and tourism. It has about 6,400 inhabitants. From there, we took a bus to the main town of Chania, also pronounced Chania, Greece. And it was a few miles away. A little bit of history around of this area is the first settlers were thought to be around 1100 BC. First by the Byzantines, then by the Arabs, then Venetians, and then it was under Ottoman rule. It became unionized with Greece around December 2013 after the Balkan Wars. So Chania, also pronounced Chania, has about 109,000 inhabitants. It has old and new portions. We went to the new area first and went shopping, and we bought there some of Nivea cream, which we like, from a store there, and it's much cheaper there than it is here in the United States, so we bought a couple of large jars of it. I also wanted to purchase something from a store in Europe called Pull and Bear, which can't find any here in the US. So I bought something there, which you'll see later on in the video. Ely wanted to buy some jewelry from Greece, and this was our last port in Greece. So she landed up purchasing this nice sterling silver necklace and earring combination. The cost of this was about 130 euros. I don't care much for shopping for jewelry for myself, but I did. And I landed up buying this very inexpensive ring that's made also of sterling silver, and it rotates in the center. I'm not exactly sure why, but it does, and it only cost me 5 euros. This video is short. We hope you like it, and we wish you would like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next ports, which are going to be from Italy, the next 3 videos, Taormina, Naples, and Rome, as we are finished touring Greece, Turkey, and Croatia. Ciao for now. We were just let off the bus from the port terminal here on the island of Crete, and we're in the basically, I think, the city center with this statue behind us, and we're going to go walking around. Looks like a good place for shopping. There's a lot of tourists today from our ship, as well as the Viking Ocean cruise liners in port, and we're going to check it out. I don't know how much there is to see, but it looks like shopping is probably a good thing to do, and we're being attacked by a bunch of pigeons.
Woo! Oh my God.
Here we are in the shopping tourist district of Crete, and Ely just got her favorite coconut gelato, which she is enjoying immensely. I like it too. even a Starbucks here, I guess.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed.
Here we are sitting in this beautiful quaint harbor, nice and calm, beautiful weather, hardly any wind, maybe 2-3 miles an hour at best. Gorgeous.
And we are enjoying our ice cream, coconut ice cream.
Here I am back at our cruise ship cabin, and I am here glad to show my brand new Pull and Bear underwear that I bought here in Greece. I've never bought anything from Pull and Bear. Now I can say that I purchased something from Pull and Bear.